Hi, my name's Ian and I'm a G Suite support expert here at Suitebriar. In today's video, I will be demonstrating how to find an email message header. Now let's get started. Browse to mail.google.com or use the app launcher and go to Gmail while logged into the account that has the email you would like to find the email header for. Open the email that you need the headers from. Next to reply, click More, and then Show Original. The first entry at the top will be message ID. That text string is primarily used to track down a missing email with email log search. On this screen, you will also get some information about delivery delays in the created at line and a quick glance into a pass-fail display for the sender's SPF, DKIM, and DMARC configuration. Click the Copy to Clipboard button on the right side to copy the entire message header to your clipboard. If you're looking to submit your email header to support, paste what is copied to your clipboard into a notepad text file, then attach that file in an email addressed to helpdesk@suitebriar.com. If you're looking for more information about the email and to analyze the header, browse to toolbox.googleapps.com. Go to Message Header. In Paste Email Header here, paste your copied header. You can paste by either right-clicking and clicking Paste, or by pressing Ctrl-V. Click Analyze the header above. The main reason to analyze an email header would be to see where the message failed in the chain of delivery. The top section is the same information we saw when we first opened up the original message in Step 2. Thank you for watching. For more videos from Suitebriar, visit our website at www.suitebriar.com. If you have questions regarding your G Suite instance, visit our help desk at suitebriar.zendesk.com for assistance.